Alright y'all, today we're gonna be doing a exhaust sound comparison. We got the 2-to-1 exhaust. I'm gonna also be testing the very first exhaust, or the very first set of mufflers that I made. And I also got the third thing right here. These were the second ones I made before I made the 2-to-1 thing right here with the 2-to-1 collector. That is nice. But the difference between this one is I actually got I put like paper towels in the actual chamber thing. So it's a lot more muffled than this one. I glued this one together before I put the things on the inside. So this one's just empty. But we're still gonna compare the sound. I also changed these gears right here to the helical gears. I don't have the front gear for this one because I'm not running it on my bike, but you can see the sprocket right there. I put spacers in there. I did a lot of stuff. And also this thing right here, this is a check valve, so air can come in. And the reason this helps a lot, and you will hear the difference, but it helps because when the engine is running and I rev it, I put air through it, there's a vacuum when I let off the air. So the air stops coming in from here, but the engine is like rotating fast and it's trying to pull air through it, but it's slowing itself down because no air is coming through. So when that happens, air comes in through here and lets it get to the pistons and everything, so it doesn't create much of a vacuum. And that helps a lot. It sounds good. It sounds very good. I like it. I like these gears. My first helical gears right there. It's crazy. But let's start with no muffler first and see how it sounds. All right, here's the first one. No pipes, no nothing. Just straight pipe. Alright, let's put the pipes on and leave it straight pipe. Alright, now we got the pipes, but no mufflers. Straight pipe, inline twin. See how it sounds. That, and I like this thing. Like I just like what it's doing. It's putting in that work. All right, let's go to these right here. All right, y'all, here we go with these. This is my first muffler for this thing, and let's see how it sounds. That does make a different sound effect. Next, these right here. All right, we got the different ones on there. You can see that one has holes in it. Like that one just has holes in it. just going all into that one chamber right there. The previous ones just got like three baffle systems in it. You can see it like that. Yeah, and that one just has like a lot of different holes in it. Like, you can kind of see it. Like, you can kind of see it a little bit. But let's see how it sounds compared to the last one. I like the sound of that. Those are smooth. Those are smooth. Like, the difference between these and these is a big difference. These are like, it sounds like it's like the air just smacking into this. This one sounds like the air is just flowing through it and being muffled at the same time. Like, this one, I don't know what to. This the cherry bomb exhaust right here. And this is the regular muffler. All right, we tested these. We tested these. Now we got the 2-to-1. This is my favorite one because it's my latest one, and I just like it. Like, it's just smooth. It's simple. Looks neat. Start it up. That one's quiet. I like that one. It's so smooth. I love this. Yeah, y'all. That was that one. So this was the 2-to-1. Then we got the smoother ones right here, or the 2 dual things, smooth edition. And then you got the 2 dual exhaust, the loud edition. Like, I think it muffles the sound, but it also, like, the air smacking into there, so you can like hear it popping a little bit and stuff like that. And these gears are quiet. That gear's upgraded. All these things are upgraded. And let me know how y'all like this little thing too. This little check valve. I'm gonna start making these on to the intake manifold of every engine that I make after this. It will definitely increase the performance of it and reduce the wasted energy. So yeah, y'all, let me know which one y'all like better.